everybody, Will1629 here. Today we are at the park, at our Central Park in Orange Rock Town. Just telling you. Oh, the grass really itches. Okay, let's go see the pond, fountain, whatever. Oh my, real mess. Okay, we're going over the slide. I want you to experience me just running around. So I'm gonna pause the video and later. We are at the place, and as you can see, there's a bird up in the tree. He's not flying. Not making any noise. Okay, they're flying away, but you can still see that one. Okay, so going on to the slide. Yeah, jump that stuff. I really don't like being on these steps because they feel like they're gonna break. Okay, I'm gonna go up these stairs. I'll see you guys later. Alright, we're up and I didn't see any more birds. So I actually came up the ladder. And these slides, they look like they're not gonna, looks like you're in, just can't just come down. Wee. Oh man, I'm actually coming down. Oh, it actually burns. Okay. Going back up. Dude. I don't want to fall. This is what I'm gonna fall back. Dude, I actually almost fell. Okay, it's kind of lonely. I'm painting. I can see it, but you guys can't. Alright, just looking around. See if we can find any nature. Alright, so we're just gonna go back down the slide. I'm gonna see you guys later in the... Okay, so we're just walking around here and all of a sudden there's just an ending here, like an unfinished project. I hate those unfinished projects. I'm gonna go over to that place, if you can see it, where I'm pointing. I'll see you guys later.